Hello, good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to the class. Myself, Bhagyashree Joshi from Sankalp Learning Solutions. In the last class, we have started the topic that is pair of linear equation in two variables, right? And also we discussed about the what do you mean by equation and what is linear equation in one variable and linear equation in two variables. And also we discussed about the pair of linear equations in two variables and what is the general formula, general form of pair of linear equations, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So this is the general form of pair of linear equations in two variables. Here we are using two variables, that is x and y, and a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are real numbers, right? And ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form for linear equation in two variables, right? And also we discussed some multiple choice questions, and this is very, very important. So when a1 divided by a2 is not equal to b1 divided by b2, on that condition, lines will be intersecting and it has unique solution and pair is consistent, okay? If a1 divided by a2, that means ratios are equal. a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 divided by b2 is equal to c1 divided by c2. Then it has coincident lines and it has infinite many solutions, right? And the pair is dependent. If a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 divided by b2, but it is not equal to c1 divided by c2, in that conditions, lines will be parallel, okay? So here lines are parallels. In that condition, it has no solutions and pair is inconsistent. So when it is consistent, when it is dependent, and when it is inconsistent, that we should know, okay? Next, and also we solved some multiple choice questions. Today, we will discuss some 2 marks, 3 marks, 4, 5 marks questions, okay, regarding this chapter. First question, from the pair of linear equation for the following problem and find their solution by substitution method. Here they have mentioned that by substitution method only we can calculate the problem, okay? Means here we are using substitution method. Problem is the difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other, okay? 3 times the other, find them, okay? We need to find out the two numbers. They have given the difference and one number is 3 times the other they have given. So for that, how many numbers are there here? Two numbers are there. That means let first number be x, right? First number be x and second number be y. Let us consider first number as x and second number as y, okay? Second number be y. In the question only they have given, means in question we will make two parts. The difference between two number is 26. So this is one part, it gives one equation and one number is the 3 times the other. That means this line, it gives other equation. Yes or no? So observe carefully. First line, it gives one equation and second line, this line gives another equation, right? So first, the difference between two number is 26. That I will take. Here two numbers are x and y. That means difference between two numbers, I will take it as y minus x is equal to 26 because difference between two numbers is 26, right? Next, second line, that is one number is 3 times the other. That means y is equal to, see this is one number, y is equal to 3 times other. That means 3 times x. Other number is x here. So y is equal to 3x. So this is first equation. This is second equation, right? Equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now, observe carefully here. They have mentioned here use substitution method. So in order to use substitution method, what we are doing in substitution method? So substitute the value of x or y in one or second equation, right? So here y is equal to 3x. So here we are substituting the y value in equation number 1. So y value is y is equal to 3x. Y value is 3x. So that we will substitute in equation number 1. Substitute value of y in equation number 1, right? In equation number 1. So what is equation number 1? Y minus x is equal to 26 is the equation number 1. So what is the y value? Y value is 3x. So 3x minus x is equal to 26. So 3x minus x is 2x. 2x is equal to 26. X is equal to, transfer this 2 to this side, 26 divided by 2. So 2 ones are, 2 threes are, 2 ones are, 2 threes are. That means x is equal to 13 you will get. Right? X is equal to 30. Now, substitute. Here we got x value, but we want y value also. So for that, substitute x in equation number y or equation number 1 or 2. Okay. Equation number 2. So substitute the value of x in equation number 2. Then we will directly we will get y value. Okay. Substitute x in equation number 2. So what is equation number 2? Y is equal to 3x. So y is equal to 3 into, what is the value of x? X is 13. That means 13 into 3 is 39. So y value is 39 and x value is 13 here. So here you can verify that one number is 3 times the other. That means here y value is 3 times the other. So 13 is one number. So this number is 3 times other. 13 into 3 is 39. Right? So x value is, then two numbers are x is equal to 13 and y is equal to 39. So this question can be asked for 2 marks. Okay? Understood? Okay. So shall we move to next question? Have you taken? Okay. Yes. Solve the following pair of linear equation by elimination method. Here they have mentioned elimination method. That means here we need to use elimination method. So for that, first we'll write down the equations. 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0 and 9x is equal to 2y plus 7 is there. So first write down the equations properly. 3x minus 5y, transfer this minus 4 to this side, what you will get? Plus 4, right? So, it will be plus 4. Next, 9x, transfer this 2y to this side. Plus 2y, it becomes minus 2y, right? Is equal to 7. Now, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Yes or no? This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now, in order to, what we will do in elimination method? Elimination means to eliminate one variable. ಹೌದಾ? ಒಂದು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So in order to eliminate one variable, variables value should be equal, right? So ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಯಾವಾಗ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, then only you can eliminate. Otherwise you cannot eliminate, right? So here x is, here 3x is there, here 9x is there, here 5y is there, here 2y is there. That means first we need to equal the variables, right? So first ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, variables values ಅನ್ನ equal ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. How can you equate, variables values ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ equal ಮಾಡೋದು? Here what I will do, I will multiply the equation by 3. If I multiply this equation with 3, then what I will get? 3 into 3 is 9. Here also 9x is there. Here also 9x is there. So x and x will get cancelled. So for that, 3 into 3, that is 3, 9x. 3 3 is a 9x. Minus 5 into 3 is 15y is equal to 4 into 3. That is 12. Second equation. 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. Now observe carefully, x values are equal here, right? But observe signs. Signs, when you will eliminate, when signs are opposite, then only you can eliminate. Here plus 9x is there, here also plus 9x is there. That means here plus plus is equal to plus only. That means we need to add that two numbers, but we don't want to add that two numbers. We want eliminate, we want to cancel that numbers. For that, what I will do, change the signs. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, now here plus 9 is there, here minus 9x is there. That means 9x and 9x will get cancelled. What you will get? So minus 15y, here plus 2y is there. That means minus 15y plus 2y is minus 13y is equal to, here 12 is there, here minus 7 is there. So 12 minus 7 is 5. That means y value is 5 divided by 13. Transfer this 13 to this side. Here minus is also there. So y is equal to minus 5 divided by 13 is the value of y. Now, substitute the value of y in equation 1 or 2. In order to get x value, we need to substitute the value of y in equation 1 or 2. Yes or no? So what I will do? I will substitute value of y in equation number 1. Okay. Substitute value of y in equation 1. Okay, what is equation number 1? So 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. This is equation number 1. So we know the value of y, that is minus 5. Y value is minus 5 divided by 13 is equal to 4. So now, three x minus into minus plus 25 divided by 13 is equal to 4. So now transfer this 25 divided by 13 to this side. 3x is equal to 4 minus 25 divided by 13 you will get, right? So 3x is equal to, here LCM is 13, right? So 13 4s are 52. 52 minus 25. So 3x is equal to 52 minus 25. That is 2 minus 5. That is 7. 27 divided by 13. Okay. Now transfer this 3 to this side. You will get x is equal to 27 divided by 13 into 3. So now 3 ones are 3 nines are. Okay, so you will get 9 divided by 13. X is equal to 9 divided by 13 is there. So 9 divided by 13 is the value of x. So value of y is minus 5 divided by 13 and value of x is 9 divided by 13. Okay, these two are the values of x and y. Here we use elimination method. So this is very, very easy method, right? Have you taken? Any doubt is there? Yes. If you have any doubt, then ask me in the comment section. Okay. Yes. Have you taken? Shall we move to next problem? 5 years hence, the age of the Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? So, in this question, we will make 2 parts. That is 5 years hence and 5 years ago. So, nimge 2 parts baratte illi. Hauda? One part is 5 years hence and 5 years ago. This will give 2 equations, right? By using that 2 equations, we are finding present age of the Jacob. So, for that, consider ಒಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆನಪಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಏಜ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಬರಬಹುದು, ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಕಮ್, ಮೇ ನಾಟ್ ಕಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ They will change the name, they will change the number, okay, or they will change the pattern, but method is same, concept is same, method is same, right? By using that method, ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, then we can easily solve the question, right? So here ಯಾರ್ ಹೀರೋ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಜಾಕೋಬ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, right? So 5 years hence the age of the Jacob. So Jacob is the hero. So first consider the age of the Jacob as X. Jacob's age be X. Next, 5 years hence means 5 years after 5 years. That means after 5 years. So 5 years hence means X plus 5. X is the Jacob's age. After 5 years means X plus 5. Age, the age of the Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. Okay. So consider his son's age is Y. Okay, son's age be Y. Consider Jacob's age is X and son's age be Y. Okay, so first, after 5 years, Jacob's age is X plus 5 and after ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ 5 ವರ್ಷದ ನಂತರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. After 5 years, ಕೇವಲ ಜಾಕೋಬ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಅವನ ಮಗನಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. That means Y plus 5. X plus 5 is equal to Y plus 5. So after 5 years, the age of the Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. So 3 times. X plus 5 is equal to 3 into Y plus 5, right? 3 times that of his son. His son's age is Y plus 5. Jacob age is X plus 5. 3 times means 3 into Y plus 5, right? Next. 5 years ago, hinde. So 5 years hinde hodre, what will happen? Jacob's age was first 5 years hence means 5 years ago means X minus 5. Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. That means Y minus 7 it is. So 5 years ago, Y minus 5. So Jacob's age is 7 times that of his son. ಹೌದಾ? 5 ವರ್ಷದ ಹಿಂದೆ ಜಾಕೋಬ್ಸ್ ಏಜು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿರತ್ತೆ? ಅವನ ಮಗನ 7 times ಅಷ್ಟಾಗಿರತ್ತೆ. 7 times that of his son, right? So this is very, very important. Okay. So next, here X plus 5 is equal to 3 into Y, 3Y plus 3 5 is 15, right? X, transfer this 3Y to this side, so this is minus 3Y. 15, transfer this 5 to this side, minus 5. That means X minus 3Y is equal to 15 minus 5 is 10. So X minus 3Y is equal 10. This is equation number 1. Next, from 5 years ago, X minus 5 is equal to 7Y minus 7 5 is 35, right? So X, transfer this 7Y to this side. So this is minus 7Y is equal to minus 35 plus 5. So X minus 7Y is equal to minus 30. You will get, call this as equation number 2. Now, equation number 1 is X minus 3Y is equal to 10. And equation number 2 is X minus 7Y is equal to minus 30, right? Now, so by using this 1 and 2, we will solve the problem. See here, we are using substitution method. From equation number 1, see from equation number 1, X is equal to, what I will do, I will transfer this minus 3Y to this side. What will happen? X plus 3Y, right? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಈ 3Y ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so minus becomes plus. That means 10 plus 3Y, right? So now, observe carefully, this is equation number 3. I got X value. X value exact agi sikkilla, but I will substitute this X value in equation number 1 or 2, right? Now, Substitute x value in equation number 2. Right? So what is equation number 2? X is x minus 7y is equal to minus 30. So what is x value? X value is 10 plus 3y minus 7y is equal to minus 30 is there. Right? So 10 plus 3y minus 7y is equal to minus 30. 10 here minus 7y is there plus 3y is there. That means minus 7y plus 3y is minus 4y is equal to minus 30. Transfer this plus 10 to this side. Minus 4y is equal to minus 30 minus 10. That means minus 4y is equal to minus 30 minus 10. That is minus 40. So y is equal to minus 40. Transfer this minus 4 to this side. So this is minus 4 divided by minus 4. So minus and minus will get cancelled. 4 ones are 4 tens are. That means y value is 10. Right? Y value is 10. Now, substitute the value of y in equation number 3. Then I will get x value. Right? Substitute y value in equation number 3. Right? See here, this is equation number 3. If I substitute the value of y here, I will get x. That is, x is equal to 10 plus 3 into y value is 10 here. So, x is equal to 10 plus 3 into 10 is 30. That means x is equal to 40 you will get. So, this is the value of x. Y value is 10 and x value is 40. Okay. So, this is the now, x value is 40. That means Jacob's age is x. Okay, we consider Jacob's age as x. That means this is Jacob's age and this is son's age. So, present age. Jacob's present age is x is equal to 40 and his son's age is y is equal to 10. Right? Okay, this question can be asked for 3 marks. Okay. So, shall we move to next question? Next. 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to y is equal to 2.3. Here solve by substitution method. Here we need to solve by substitution method. You can solve by both the methods. Okay. When you use elimination method, then also you will get x and y values same. Okay. And when you use substitution method, there also x and y values will be equal to that of elimination method. Elimination alli ಏನು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ value substitution ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So here substitution method they have asked 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. Okay, 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. Observe carefully. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ನಮಗೆ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ 1 digit ಆದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 1 digit ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಸೊ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು we can remove that decimal point. How? By multiplying 10, right? 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. So, into 10. If you multiply this equation by 10 and this equation by 10, what you will get? 0.2 into 10, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 and 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. I will get, right? Now, call this as equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Here, if it is for 4 marks, then solve by substitution and elimination method, they will ask, right? So nimge idinne 4 marks kelidre substitution and elimination method, both methods they will ask for this problem. So here we are using substitution method. For that, what I will do, from equation number 1, this is 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 is there, right? What I will do, I will transfer this 3y to this side. Okay, so 2x is equal to 13 minus 3y. Right. Now, transfer this 2 to this side. X is equal to 13 minus 3y divided by 2. That means this is equation number 3. Here I got x value. So, substitute x value in equation number 2. Right? In equation number 2. What I will get? So, equation number 2 is 4 into x value is 13 minus 3y divided by 2 plus 5y is equal to 23. Right. Now, 2 ones are 2 twos are. Right. So, what I will get? 2 into 13 minus 3y plus 5y is equal to 23. Right. So, 2 into 13 is 26. 2 into 3y, that is 6y plus 5y is equal to 23. Now, 26, here minus 6y is there, here plus 5y is there. That means minus 6 plus 5 is, plus 5 is minus y is equal to 23. So, minus y is equal to 23. Transfer this 26 to this side. This is minus 26. So, minus y is equal to 23 minus 26. That is minus 3. So, minus and minus will get cancelled. Y is equal to 3. We will get. Now, substitute y in equation number 3. Then we will get x value, right? Substitute y in equation number 3. X is equal to 13 minus 3 into y value is 3 divided by 2. That means x is equal to 13 minus 9 divided by 2. So 13 minus 9 is 4. Sorry, 4 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. That means x is equal to 2. I will get. So value of y is 3. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. I will get. So if you want, you can take down, right? So I will wait for a minute. Yes, have you taken down? Shall we move to next question? So next question is, half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width, okay, is 36 meter. Find the dimensions of the garden. See, one garden is there. That garden is in the form of rectangle, right? One rectangular garden is there. So consider this is a garden. Okay. So garden is in the form of rectangle whose length is 4 meter more than its width. That means if you consider width as x, then length is 4 meter more than its width. That means x plus 4. Yes or no? Okay. So perimeter they have given, that is 36 meter. Observe carefully. So perimeter, half the perimeter, 36 they have given. Okay. Now let width of the garden be width of the garden be x meter, then length of the garden be x plus 4 meter, right? So 4 meters more than its width, that is x plus 4 meter, right? Now x plus 4, that means length, consider length be y is x plus 4, that is y is equal to x plus 4. This is equation number 1. Next, here perimeter of the rectangle we need to find out. Why? Because perimeter, half perimeter, see here, half the perimeter of the rectangular garden, that means we need to find out perimeter of the garden. So what is the formula to calculate perimeter of the rectangle? That is 2x plus 2y or 2l plus 2b, right? So perimeter is equal to 2x plus 2y. Why 2x plus 2y? See, this is a rectangle. If we consider this is x, this is also x, because opposite sides are equal. See, this is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. In case of rectangle, opposite sides are equal. That means this is xx, this is yy. So how many x sides are there? 2. Here also 2. That means 2x plus 2y. Now, perimeter is 36. They have given. I will take 2 common here. X plus y. So half of the perimeter they have given. That means divided by 2. Half means 1 divided by 2. So this is divided by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So 36 is equal to x plus y. Y is equal to 36 minus x you will get. 36 minus x. See, transfer this x to this side, then 36 minus x. So this is equation number 2. Okay, this is equation number 2. So in this problem, here we got two equations. Okay, so here we will make two tables for two equations. So ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಹಾಕುವಾಗ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? So okay, so like that we will prepare two tables for two equations. So first equation is y is equal to x plus 4. Y is equal to x plus 4 it is. Y equal to x plus 4. So if I take one table, x, y. Okay. Yes. So this is for x and this is y. If I substitute x is equal to 0, what I will get? 0 plus 4 is 4. Y value is 4. If I substitute x is equal to 2, 2 plus 4 is 6. Y value is 6. If I substitute x is equal to 3, 3 plus 4 is 7. If I substitute x is equal to 10, what I will get? 10 plus 4 is 14. If I substitute x is equal to 14 plus 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. Okay, like this, make another table for this equation also. So y is equal to 36 minus x. Okay, here also we will make one table. Okay, this value is for x. This is for x and this is for y. This is x, this is y. See, if I substitute x is equal to 0, what I will get? X is equal to 0, y value is 36. So this is 36, means here we have to substitute big values, right? So 1, 2 ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. For that, we need to substitute big values. So if I substitute x is equal to 10, what I will get? 36 minus 10, that is 26. If I substitute x is equal to 14, okay, so 36 minus 14, that is 22. If I substitute x is equal to 16, 36 minus 16 is 20. So if I substitute x is equal to 30, 36 minus 30 is 6, right? So if I substitute x is equal to 36, what I will get? 36 minus 36 is 0. So we make, means here we got two tables, right? So for one for equation number 1 and 1 for equation number 2. Now observe carefully. In these two tables, which value is common here? That means x value and y values, ಎರಡು values ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ value same ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Here 10 is there, so here 10. If it is 10, then y value is 14 here, so here 26. It is not same. If x is equal to 16, y value is 20. If x is equal to 16, y value is 20 here. Observe carefully. ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x is equal to 20 ಇದ್ದಾಗ 16 ಇದ್ದಾಗ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 20 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ x is equal to 16 ಇದ್ರೆ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? 20 ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. That means here two values we got, that is one for x is equal to 16 and y is equal to 20. If you draw if you plot a graph for these two equations, then you will have two intersecting lines, and these two lines will intersect at a point x is equal to 16 and y is equal to 20. That means intersecting lines you will get. So when it is intersecting, when two lines are intersecting, it has unique solution, right? It has unique solution and pair is consistent here. Okay, so pair is consistent. And what they have asked here, find the dimensions of the garden. Dimensions means what? Length and breadth. So here we width is x we considered, right? So width is x. X is equal to 16 here, and length y is equal to x plus 4 is there here. So x plus 4, length is x plus 4. That means x is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. That means this is 16 meter, this is 20 meter. So dimensions are x is length is width is 16 meter and length is 20 meters. Okay, so if you want, you can take down. Shall we move to next question? Next question is, the coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for 3,800. 6 balls. Okay. She buys 3 bats and 5 balls for 1,750. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. Okay. So here I will give you, means here also we'll have two equations. One for 7 bats, 6 balls for 3,800, and she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for 1,750. So here also, let cost of the, what they have asked, find the cost of each bat and each ball. So cost of bat dx and cost of ball by. Okay, so ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ equations ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, but ನೀವೇ substitute ಮಾಡಿ, ನೀವೇ calculation ಮಾಡಿ. This is for your homework, right? Next, cost of bat be x. So ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 bats are there. That means 7x plus 6 balls are there. 6y is equal to 3,800, right? Now cost of ball is 3 bats, that is 3x plus 5y is equal to 1,750 is there. So if you want, you can use elimination method, or else you can use substitution method. So this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So better to use substitution method. So from equation number 1, take any equation. Okay. ಯಾವುದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ equation ಅನ್ನ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. So from equation number 1, 7x is equal to, transfer this plus 6y to this side. What you will get? 3,800 minus 6y. Right? 3,800 minus 6y. Now, x is equal to, transfer this 7 to this side. What you will get? 3,800 minus 6y divided by 7. So, observe here, this is equation number 3. Okay. So, now we got 3 equations. So, by using this equation, substitute the value of x in equation number 1 or 2. Then we will get y value, right? So ನಮಗೆ y value ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ substitute the value of y in equation number 3, then we will get x value. So this is for your homework. So ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? use substitution method. Substitute the value of x in equation number 1, then you will get y value. Then substitute the value of in equation number 3, then you will get x. ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Okay, we'll do this question. Following pairs of linear equations are consistent. Okay, consistent or inconsistent. If it is consistent, obtain the solution graphically. This question can be asked for 5 marks, remember. Okay, for that reason only I am doing here. See, this is equation x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Okay, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So what they have given, first find out whether they are consistent or not. For that, what I will do, first compare the ratios. Okay, a1 divided by a2, that is 1 divided by 2, and b1 divided by b2, this is 1 divided by 2. Okay, c1 divided by c2, that is 5 divided by 2. Here a1 is equal to a2 and a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 divided by b2 is equal to c1 divided by c2. That means all the ratios are equal here. When you get equal ratios, when two lines are coincident or dependent, that time also pair is consistent only, but we will call it as dependent. ಅದನ್ನೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Okay, so when it is consistent, we'll draw one graph. So for that, what we will do, what we need to do, make one table for equation number 1 and make one table for equation number 2. So this is equation number 1, x plus y is equal to 5. Transfer this x to this side, what you will get? Y is equal to 5 minus x. This is equation number 1 here. Okay, if x is equal to 2, then y value is 5 minus 2 is 3, right? If x is equal to 3, y value is 2. If x is equal to 4, 5 minus 4, that is 1, right? 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Now transfer this 2x to this side, then 10 minus 2x. 2y is equal to 10 minus 2x. Then transfer 2y to this side. What you will get? Y is equal to 10 minus 2x divided by 2 you will get, right? See, when if you substitute x is equal to 2, what you will get? 2 into 2 is 4. 10 minus 4 divided by 2. 10 minus 4 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3, right? If we substitute x is equal to 3, then 2 3s are 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2, right? 10 minus 8. 2 4s are 8. So 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay. Now, we got two tables. By using these two tables, we can plot a graph, right? So graph ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? One x-axis is there, one y-axis is there. Okay, that all you know, right? X is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. So where is 2? 2 is here, 3 is here. Okay, and x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2, and x is equal to 4, y is equal to 1, right? Observe second table. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2, and x is equal to 4, y is equal to 1. That means here two tables are equal. X ಮತ್ತೆ y values two tables ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ equal ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. Observe, ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿನೇ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬಹುದು. By looking this table only you can tell that whether the pair is dependent or consistent or inconsistent, right? So here you will get two coincident lines. Value same idre you will get coincident lines only, right? Okay, hence the pair is consistent. So you will have this type of graph. Okay, so this is for 5 marks. Yes, so ಒಂದು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಡಿಸುವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಟು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ y values ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ y is equal to, ನಾವು x ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ y equation ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಆ equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ two equations we will have. That means plot one table for one equation and a second table for another equation. So this is the method to plot a graph. Okay, y is equal to, here this question is for 5 marks. This we will solve in the next class. Okay. So namge y is equal to once equation baratte matte y is equal to second equation baratte. So we'll make two tables for these two equations. Okay. So now ಆವಾಗ substitute the value of x, ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ, you will get y value. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ, y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಅದೇ ತರಹ 3 to 4 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೋತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಆ 3 to 4 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೌ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್. ಸೊ ವೆದರ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್, will coincident or whether they are parallel. This is very important. So ಇಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರಹದ ಲೈನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ we are getting two parallel lines. In previous problem we got two coincident lines, but here we got parallel lines. Okay. So parallel lines. So this pair is inconsistent. Okay. And it has no solution. This is for 5 marks. Okay. Both the lines are parallel to each other. Therefore, there are no solutions for these equations. Okay. So this is all about the innu problems ittu, but namge time saakaagtilla. We'll solve in the next class. Okay. Or one extra class anna tagondu ella problems anna solve madana. Okay. So in this chapter, we solved 2 marks, 1 mark, 2 marks, 3, 4 marks questions also. Okay. Yes. Shall we stop today's session, my dear students? Okay. Yes. So study well. Thank you. Thank you so much.